intro, we got a super hot sign, and in the title it says super hot. Start. And so let's get started. So first you want to make super hot models. Ooh, put that back. Super hot models. Let me just close that up. So you would, like, alright, duplicate. I'll duplicate these. Duplicate. And then boom. And I'll remove these strips. So, alright, so now you name them to whatever you want, so you can remember what they are. So you're going to insert a script. So I didn't want to get them confused, so let's name this script Super. You could keep the print hello world, which I'm gonna do. So, because after the script has been done, so wait, let's see, now you could do it for like 10 seconds, but I'm going to do it 3 seconds. So then, script dot parent, and also the print hello world thing would also keep you, so like like, oh, it's working, or like it doesn't work or something. So script.parent transparency equals 1. Then let's copy and paste that. So in that little skit, I put 11. Yes. So now in hot, you put a script. You open that. You do the same thing, but since you made it invisible, whatever. You're gonna want to kind of do the opposite. Let's just command V that right there, and then 0. And then let's go here, and then we put 6. So now once you run it, it should be working. But now, as you can see, it's kind of like these aren't the same. Like, and then like I think this one was a little better. This one right here. But as you see, it doesn't repeat. So then, like, I don't know how to make a loop, but if you figured that out, like, that's why. That is why. Alright, don't make that dumb mistake as me. Super hot. And then it keeps on repeating. I hope you like this little tutorial on how I did this. If you want me to keep on doing it with my voice, tell me in the comments, please. A little scripting tutorial. I'm gonna keep on showing more, like how to, like, what I will do, like how to make a character, for like your super hot game. So then you could like add like a voiceover.